from Coron Palawan here in the Philippines. We have been flying through the night and just arrived to our hotel, Zuri Resort, which has amazing views over the sea. But first things first, we will head to breakfast before we start exploring.
doing here in Coron is hiking up to the Tapyas mountain, which is this high mountain in Coron where you get a 360-degree view over the city. And apparently it's 700 stairs up to the top. And we are a bit late because the sun is already setting, but we hope to catch it before it gets too dark. So let's start hiking up. "400 steps done, 300 more to go." Let's go. "700 steps up to the top, and the sun has just set, so it's now starting to get dark, and the city is looking really beautiful even at night. And then here at the top there's also a big Coron sign and a big cross at the very top.
We have now made it to a place called Roast Dan here in downtown Coron. And as we are on an island, of course, we have to have some seafood. So we have some grilled fish, grilled squid, and some mixed vegetables. So yeah, let's begin.
We have now made it to Kayangan Lake, and as you can see, the water is beautifully crystal clear, and there are some rock formations underneath the water. And yes, you have to wear a life jacket because the current goes downwards because it's a mix of salt water and fresh water. So really nice. So we got a fresh coconut for 150. Let's try. Very good, very fresh. We have now reached the second spot of the day, which is a coral reef garden, or coral garden. And yeah, so we're just checking this out, and then we're gonna have lunch at the hut behind me. And I saw that they were grilling some freshly caught fish at the back, of the boat while we were out. So yeah. And this snorkeling spot is really cool because they have huge starfish. I've never seen such big starfish. After our consecutive snorkeling session, we have now made it for lunch, and we have some rice, some pork, some stir-fried vegetables, some noodles, eggplant, and some freshly caught grilled tuna. So let's see. We have finished up with lunch, and we are now at the Coral Garden. So let's see what we can find out.
It is now dinner time, and we have got some grilled fish again, this time with some barbecued sauce, and we also have some shrimp with chili and garlic.
We have now made it 25 minutes from the starting point to the first spot of the day, which is the Coral Garden. And today, maybe as you can hear and see, the ocean is very rough, so it's quite windy. But hopefully we will get to see some amazing things today as well. So yeah, but the water looks beautifully crystal clear, so hopefully let's see some underwater life. Snorkel at the first spot, and actually the coral was really beautiful, a lot of colorful corals and also a lot of small fish, so a really nice spot even though it was quite windy and rocky. So we are now back from the second snorkel, which is the shipwreck, which is from the Second World War, and it's way over there. And also coral have started to grow from there. So yeah, really nice. But you should definitely be a free diver to experience it fully.
now at the Twin Lagoon, and to get here you have to get to the first lagoon and then climb over a set of stairs to get to this second lagoon. And as you can see, it's really beautiful, so spectacular, high, lofty mountains with this beautiful blue water. So we are now at the last stop of the day after lunch, Barracuda Lake. We just got off the boat and then we have to hike these stairs. We made a new friend. Our new friend. So we have now made it out for our last dinner here in Coron to a place called Trattoria al Forno, and we have got a stone oven baked seafood pizza, which looks really delicious. So yeah, let's dig in.